Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see how to create a Windows partition. So for that, first we'll click on File Explorer, click on this PC. Okay, over here we can see I have only one drive that is of size 474 GB, out of which 409 GB is free. So whenever you get any new laptop or a PC, there will be a one partition. Now, if you want to create one more drive of specific size, okay, if you want to create another partition into this drive, what you'll need to do, you need to click on Windows Start. In this search, you need to type disk partition. Okay, you will get the first option, create and format hard disk partition. You need to click on that. We'll make this full size. Okay, so here you will see the disk partition. Like, this is the system partition, 260 MB and 1.95. So you can ignore that. You need to look for C drive, that is Windows SSD C drive. Okay, it would be of format NTFS file format. Now we need to create a partition from this drive. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on it, click on shrink volume. Okay, once this window is open, over here you can see total size before shrink in MB. All the values entered over here are in MB. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to enter the value over here in MB about the partition which you want to create. So for that, I'll open a calculator. The basic math is 1 GB equals to 1024 MB. Okay. Now suppose I want to create a 225 GB partition. Okay. So what I need to do is do N2 1024. Okay. And click equals to. Now this is the value in MB which you need to enter to create a partition of 225 GB. So over here I'll enter the value that is of 230 400. Okay, I'll click on shrink. This will take some time. Okay, now you can see the exact 225 GB unallocated space has been created. Now we'll need to do right click on it and click on new simple volume. Click on next. Click on next. Okay, over here you can assign a drive letter. Suppose I assign a letter I to it. Click next. Okay, then over here no need to change anything. This is the file system, make sure it is NTFS, then click on next. Okay, click on finish. A new volume with the letter I is created of NTFS file format. You have got the notification as well. Now we'll close this window. We'll close this calculator. Okay, in this PC, okay, you can see, right, one C drive which was there, and now an I drive has got created, that is of 224 GB. So that's how you can create a new partition in Windows. That's all for today. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.